Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Anywhere. I'm Jaxsyn. I hope you are having a wonderful morning. Maybe the sun is shining outside your window. Maybe you are drinking coffee or tea. Maybe you are getting ready for school. Maybe you are preparing for work. Whatever you are doing, thank you for joining me today. Learning English every day can change your life. Small progress becomes big success. One lesson at a time can take you far. Today, we are going to talk about the 4 English skills. These skills are listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Many learners want to speak English fluently, but fluency does not come from speaking alone. All 4 skills work together. When one skill improves, the others improve too. Think of them as 4 wheels on a car. If one wheel is missing, the journey becomes difficult. That is why all 4 skills are important. Today, I will explain each skill. I will explain why it matters. I will explain how it helps you. And I will explain how to improve it. Let's start with listening. Listening is the first English skill. Before children speak, they listen. Before they read, they listen. Before they write, they listen. Listening is the foundation of language learning. Good listening helps you understand English naturally. It helps you recognize pronunciation. It helps you learn sentence patterns. It helps you learn new vocabulary. It helps you understand native speakers. Many learners underestimate listening. They focus only on grammar. They focus only on vocabulary lists. But listening is just as important. If you cannot understand English, communication becomes difficult. Listening helps you follow conversations. It helps you watch movies. It helps you understand podcasts. It helps you join meetings. It helps you travel confidently. Good listening creates confidence. Many learners become frustrated because they cannot understand fast English. This is normal. Every learner experiences this challenge. The solution is consistent practice. Listen to English every day. Even 10 minutes can help. Listen while walking. Listen while cooking. Listen while exercising. Listen while traveling. Make English a part of your daily life. Choose content you enjoy. Listen to stories. Listen to interviews. Listen to conversations. Listen to YouTube videos. Listen to podcasts. Do not worry if you miss some words. Focus on understanding the main idea. Your brain will gradually adapt. Listening is like training a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it becomes. Repeat audio several times. The first time, just listen. The second time, focus on details. The third time, listen carefully to pronunciation. This method is very effective. Try shadowing. Listen to a sentence, pause the audio, repeat the sentence aloud. This improves both listening and speaking. English subtitles can be helpful, but do not depend on them forever. Challenge yourself sometimes. Listen without subtitles. At first, it may feel difficult. Later, it becomes easier. Remember that progress takes time. Be patient with yourself. Every minute of listening practice counts. Every English sentence you hear teaches you something. Keep listening. Keep learning. Keep improving. Now let's move to the second skill, speaking. Speaking is the skill that most learners want to improve. Many people start learning English because they want to speak confidently. They want to communicate with others. They want to travel. They want to study abroad. They want to get a better job. They want to make international friends. Speaking helps you express your thoughts. It helps you share your ideas. It helps you ask questions. It helps you build relationships. It helps you participate in conversations. Speaking is a practical skill. You use it in real-life situations. Many learners are afraid of speaking. They worry about making mistakes. They worry about grammar. They worry about pronunciation. They worry about what other people think. But mistakes are a natural part of learning. Every fluent speaker made mistakes before becoming fluent. Mistakes are not failures. Mistakes are lessons. The more mistakes you make, the more you learn. The biggest mistake is staying silent. If you never speak, you never improve. Confidence comes from practice. You do not need perfect English to communicate. You only need the courage to start. Speak English every day. Speak to yourself if necessary. Describe your room. Describe your plans. Describe your daily routine. Talk about your hobbies. Talk about your goals. Talk about your favorite movies. Talk about your favorite foods. Practice simple topics first, then move to more difficult topics. Record your voice. Listen to yourself. Notice areas that need improvement. Practice common sentences. Practice useful expressions. Repeat sentences aloud. Shadow native speakers. Copy their pronunciation. Copy their rhythm. Copy their intonation. This technique is very powerful. Find language partners. Speak with friends. Speak during online meetings. Speak whenever you get the opportunity. Remember that fluency takes time. Do not compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to your past self. Focus on progress. One sentence today is better than 0 sentences. Keep speaking. Keep practicing. Keep improving. Your confidence will grow little by little. One day, speaking English will feel natural. Now let's move to the third skill, reading. Reading is one of the most effective ways to improve English. Reading exposes you to new vocabulary. Reading teaches you sentence structure. Reading helps you understand grammar naturally. Reading increases your knowledge. Reading expands your imagination. Reading helps you think in English. Many successful English learners read every day. Reading is like having a conversation with writers. Every article teaches something. Every story teaches something. Every book teaches something. Reading improves comprehension. It helps you understand how English works. When you read often, you see patterns. You notice common expressions. You notice useful phrases. You notice how sentences are formed. This makes learning easier. Reading also improves writing. The more you read, the better you write. You learn how to organize ideas. You learn how to connect sentences. You learn how to express yourself clearly. Start with materials that match your level. Do not choose books that are too difficult. Choose content you can mostly understand. Simple stories are a great starting point. Reading should be enjoyable. Do not turn it into a stressful activity. Read topics you love. Read about sports. Read about travel. Read about business. Read about technology. Read about hobbies. Read about anything that interests you. Interest creates motivation. Motivation creates consistency. Consistency creates improvement. Try reading every day. Even 10 minutes is valuable. Keep a notebook. Write down new words. Review them regularly. But do not stop reading for every unknown word. Focus on understanding the overall message. Sometimes context helps you understand new vocabulary. Read aloud occasionally. This improves pronunciation. It also strengthens speaking skills. Reading aloud combines multiple skills together. That is why it is so useful. Challenge yourself gradually. Read slightly harder materials over time. Step by step, your reading ability will grow. You will understand more. You will learn faster. You will feel more confident. Reading is a lifelong habit. The more you read, the more opportunities you create for yourself. Now let's move to the fourth and final skill, writing. Writing is the fourth English skill. Many learners think writing is less important. However, writing is a powerful skill. Writing helps you organize your thoughts. Writing helps you communicate clearly. Writing helps you remember what you learn. Writing helps you practice grammar. Writing helps you practice vocabulary. Writing gives you time to think carefully. Unlike speaking, writing allows you to slow down. You can review your sentences. You can correct your mistakes. You can improve your message. Writing is useful in many situations. You may need to write emails. You may need to write reports. You may need to write messages. You may need to write applications. You may need to write social media posts. You may need to write essays. Good writing creates good opportunities. Strong writing skills are valuable in school. They are valuable in business. They are valuable in everyday life. Many successful people are good writers. Writing improves critical thinking. It helps you express ideas more effectively. It helps you become more precise. It helps you become more confident. The best way to improve writing is simple. Write every day. Do not wait for perfection. Start small. Write 1 sentence. Then write 2 sentences. Then write a paragraph. Small actions create big results. Keep a journal. Write about your day. Write about your goals. Write about your experiences. Write about your dreams. Write about your future plans. The topic is not important. The habit is important. Use new vocabulary in your writing. Practice recently learned expressions. Try different sentence patterns. Challenge yourself regularly. Read what you write. Check for mistakes. Make corrections. Learn from those corrections. Do not be afraid of errors. Every mistake teaches a lesson. Every sentence makes you better. Writing and reading work together. The more you read, the better you write. The more you write, the better you communicate. Writing is not just an English skill. It is a life skill. Keep writing, keep learning, keep growing. Soon you will notice improvement. Your ideas will become clearer. Your sentences will become stronger. Your confidence will become greater. And that confidence will help you in every area of life. Bringing the 4 skills together. Now we have discussed all 4 English skills: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Each skill is important. Each skill supports the others. Listening helps you understand English. Speaking helps you communicate. Reading helps you learn new ideas. Writing helps you express those ideas clearly. No skill is more important than the others. All 4 skills work as a team. Imagine building a house. A strong house needs 4 strong walls. If one wall is weak, the house becomes weaker. The same is true for English. If you only practice one skill, your progress becomes slower. Balance is important. You do not need hours every day. You only need consistency. Listen for 10 minutes. Read for 10 minutes. Speak for 10 minutes. Write for 10 minutes. Small daily practice creates amazing results. Do not focus on being perfect. Focus on improving. Do not focus on speed. Focus on consistency. Do not focus on what you cannot do. Focus on what you can do today. Learning English is a journey. Every learner moves at a different pace. Some people learn quickly. Some people learn slowly. Both are okay. The important thing is to keep moving forward. Never stop learning. Never stop practicing. Never stop believing in yourself. Every English word you learn matters. Every sentence you read matters. Every conversation you have matters. Every page you write matters. Progress is happening even when you cannot see it. Trust the process. Stay patient. Stay consistent. Stay positive. Before we finish today's lesson, I want to leave you with a simple message. You are capable of learning English. You are capable of improving. You are capable of reaching your goals. Do not underestimate yourself. Do not give up because of mistakes. Do not give up because of slow progress. Every expert was once a beginner. Every fluent speaker once struggled. Every success story started with a first step. Maybe today is your first step. Maybe today is another step forward. Either way, keep going. Your future self will thank you. As you continue your day, remember this. A few minutes of practice today can create opportunities tomorrow. A small effort today can change your future. Keep learning, keep growing, keep believing, and most importantly, enjoy the journey. Thank you for spending this morning with me. I hope you learned something valuable today. I hope you feel more motivated. I hope you feel more confident about your English journey. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to keep practicing every day. This is Jaxsyn from Speak English Anywhere. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourself. Keep smiling, keep learning English, and I will see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, everyone.
Speak English Anywhere.